What is up? Welcome back. It is your favorite moto vlogger back with another video. And man, last night I just checked out the movie Gladiator Part 2, and it got me to thinking, any great warrior or gladiator is always gonna be at his best when he has his armor. Today, man, I'm gonna show you guys how to throw some armor on the bike. We're gonna install that flat out crash bar. You know, the one that is on the Road Glide ST, my favorite bike in the whole world, and we are working our way to grab that. So we're gonna jump into this today. Now, I'm a great rider, and so are most of you out there. I've been riding for years. I'm a seasoned vet, and I've been in this game long enough to know that it is not if you're gonna drop your bike, it is when. And when that happens, guys, I want you to be prepared to save that paint job, save your investment. Man, it goes a long way. So whether you're a newbie rider out there trying to save your bike and your paint job, or you're a seasoned vet like myself, this could be a shiny new toy and just an insurance policy on your bike. So without further delay, man, we are about to jump into the video. I'm gonna show you guys how to get it done. Let's get that money. All right, fellas, you gotta coordinate.
Well, the secret is you got to coordinate. Most people don't coordinate. So you got to coordinate.
And what I mean, fellas, is you gotta match things up. And let me show you one of my upgrades earlier. This is the rear saddleback guards right here. Now look at the attention to detail with the blue washers in there, and look how it matches up with that blue burst paint job. So crazy. Man, let me pull back for a second. Man, if you guys are not feeling the Road Glide right here with that sleek new design, I don't know what to tell you. Now let me switch to the front, show you today's upgrade. This is the stock bar right here, the stock crash bar. I'm gonna rip this off. Now I actually do like this bar on here, but again, fellas, you gotta coordinate, and we're gonna rip this off and we're gonna go new school. And let's check out the part right here. And I'm gonna make everything real super easy for you. And I'm gonna show you guys the flat out bar, and you can see it is very high quality. I'm gonna drop a link in below where I got this from, but man, it is super affordable and it is a great product. So let me show you guys, I've got everything all mapped out. Let me pull this down. So you see, these are gonna attach to the top part of the crash bar right here. I've got the screws there. Then this is going to attach to the bottom part at the bottom where you're going to unattach, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how this rock and rolls. Now, one of the things why I like this bar is because it's versatile, because it'll give me the flat out right there that I can use there, all blacked out, or I can go with the option here, and you guys see this blue, and I can go either color gold. They've got red as well, but I'm going to stick with the blue because we got the blue burst. And you just see that mounts there right there. It's gonna put that on, and it's gonna match the bike absolutely perfectly. Let's go ahead and kick off the upgrade. Now what I want you guys first to do is to grab an old towel. You're just gonna tuck it under right in between the forks so everything fits nice and neat, so we don't scratch up that beautiful paint job. Then let me slide down here so you guys can get a good view. And you see the cooler cover right here. There's just a couple grommets that are gonna be attached, and all we're gonna do is use two hands. We're gonna pull both sides out, and it should come right out in just a sec. All right, let me knock this out. All right, so while I've got this off, and you guys see it is just the grommets right there, 1, 2 grommets right there, 3 and 4 right there, just really quick. They just pull out super easy. Now while you've got this off, it's a good time to clean this. It catches like a lot of dust and dirt, bugs and all that stuff. So I'm gonna clean this and get it all set. Also clean that screen as well. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of this install. Now let me go in there, and I'm gonna zoom in there super close with the camera. Now you guys can see these two bolts here and the one on the other side. I've already got the ratchet in there, and all it is an Allen wrench right there, fellas. And all I'm gonna do is just break that nut. You guys see me just unloosening that right there, and I'm gonna knock that one as well as the other, and that's gonna let loose the top end of this crash bar. All right, I'm gonna knock that out real quick. All right, and just like that, I got those 2 bolts loose. Now, fellas, I'm not gonna take those all the way out because I don't want my crash bar to fall forward onto the fender. So I'm just gonna loosen those up, and then we're gonna go to part 2. This is super easy, man. I'm gonna have you guys in and out. Your bike's gonna be looking amazing. Just a second, let's knock this out. YouTube, are you not entertained? I ain't gonna lie, man. I always wanted to say that in my acting voice. But guys, I got it all set. You see everything's all unloosened. Now remember, we left those 2 top bolts right there. I'm gonna unloosen those. We're gonna rip this thing off real quick. Yes, sir, and this is the moment of truth. Go ahead and pull this off. And fellas, that is why we put that cloth on here, so I can slowly pull that out. You see how it's scraped up against that? Man, you save your paint job. Definitely stick this stuff up there, save the paint job. Everything will look professional, but we got this thing ripped off. Now let's get the new one installed. All right, so what I want you guys to do when we install these, I'm just gonna take some painter's tape and I'm gonna run that around the edges of this because I don't want this nice bar to get all scratched up in the install. So I'm just gonna put some tape over it, inexpensive painter's tape. And you see I've got them on the end so that when we mount it and we do scrape something, we're not gonna mess up this beautiful glossed out finish, all right? Yes, sir, coming along very nicely. You see I've got everything all mounted up. I saved the bars because I did scrape them a little bit, but we didn't get any scuffs on there because we used the painter's tape. You guys see I lined everything all up. It's all set. I'm gonna put those top screws in first, lightly, then I'm gonna line everything up, and then I'm gonna run those bottom screws in, and we're gonna tighten everything up all nice and even. We're gonna check out the finished product in just a minute. Just like that, it is time to unveil the upgrade, and I think it really came together. Man, you guys can see right there, you see the flat out bar, and it's got the attachment right there with the washer that matches absolutely perfect. Let's swing to the back, and you guys see the rear saddlebag guards right there, again with the blue washer that hits off with that blue burst. So nice. And then let me swing up and show you how we continuing to coordinate. You see I got the blue screws, guys. I'm putting links to where I got everything from, but this took about a half hour, guys. You can get it done. I always want to pay homage to my favorite bike, which is the CVO Road Glide ST, and these are on there, guys. I thought it was a great upgrade to do, and you can do it whether you got a 06 Street Glide, Road Glide, anything like that. You guys can rock to these flat out bars. I mean, they look so good. So let me know what you think, but man, the bike is really starting to come together. Ooh. All right, man, just like that. That was an easy ass upgrade that you could do to your bike and make it absolutely fire. Man, it is my birthday. By the time you guys see this, it's gonna be the birthday. Man, I need you guys to do me a favor though. Drop me happy birthday. Show me some love in the comments below. I gotta jump on and get a great birthday ride, but the bike is looking absolutely amazing. Man, it doesn't matter what you rocking. I got a 24, but if you got a 02, whatever you got, man, it's yours. Rock it with pride. Do your thing, man. Yes, sir, it is time to jump on for the birthday ride. I can't think of a better way to spend my B-day than jumping on the 24 Road Glide in that beautiful blue burst. Let's get that cold start up real quick, man. So excited. Guys, I ain't pulled the paper off of there yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm eventually gonna do it, but just not quite just yet. But let me get this cold start up real quick, man. I love the way that Harley starts up. Now I'm ready to rock and roll. Let's go hit that button. You guys hear that? Sounding so good. I got her in sport mode, ready to rock and roll. First off, I want to give a shout out to each and every one of you Sagittariuses out there. Happy birthday to you. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. I hope you guys have the best day ever. Eat all the food you want, but jump on that treadmill the next day. Burn that shit off, man. Welcome back, man. Out on a birthday ride on the 24 Road Glide, and it's sounding so good. Man, it's a little chilly out here, I ain't gonna even lie. About 50 degrees, but I got to get out and ride. Damn, how you gonna, now look at the policeman, sir. How the hell you gonna turn from the left lane and make a right all the way across my face like that? That was fucked up right there, man. I ain't even gonna hold you right there. Akron police, that was kind of fucked up, bro. But you know what I'm saying? You can have authority to do whatever you want, but if I do that, they pulling me over in a lickety split and got me on the floor, the ground, talking crazy to me. But you know, that's just how it goes out there. I don't know if it's like that where you come from, but the police do whatever they want, and if you do that, you are in trouble, my boy.
Beautiful though, man.
Yeah, it's the bad boy, man.
Shadows on your.
Got to say, I put the front. This is the matching back as well as the front. But man,
are these engine bars too?
yeah, these the guards for the rear and that guard the front.
Hey, so you don't gotta worry about none of your bikes.
No, it's all set and all ready to go. But you gotta tell my viewers one more time, man. Having these, what do these do? Save your bike.
Save your bike, and they save you.
Yeah, they save you. So
I hop the fuck off every time.
That's what's up, baby. But man, yeah, this is definitely a great upgrade. I just put them on, and I'm doing the first ride with them on to show everybody.
You messing with crash rockets?
Of course, you know that's where I first started doing wheelies on crack rockets and burnouts and all that stuff. That's what I first started doing. But yeah, man. But definitely, man, you definitely gotta follow the channel, man. And I appreciate you telling my people. It's called Big Vern's Moto Life.
Big Vern.
Yeah, and again, man, it was no joke that you saw these right when I put them on, and they actually saved Joe's bike and saved you. Oh, a couple times you been down?
4 times.
Yeah.
Every time.
All right.
Like everything was all nicely intact.
Yeah.
When I took it down, I was worried. Like,
Yeah.
oh, man,
It is all crazy. Yeah.
Stood it out,
But that's good shit, man. No doubt. Keep riding. Be safe. All right. Yes, sir. Oh my God, the weather is turning out to be the bomb on my birthday. The sun is shining, it looks amazing. Gonna get a great ride in. Man, I just left the gas station and my man, did y'all hear that? My man said he dropped his bike 4 times. Fellas, remember when we used to go in the club and get drinks? It was a 2-drink minimum. Well, man, it is a 2-drop minimum on the bikes, man. My guy got to get it together or he gonna need an intervention, if you know what I'm saying, man. But not just playing, man. When you drop your bike, man, you never know when it's coming. It is crazy, and that's all the more reason why you should install those crash bars on the bike right there. Just more added safety, man. You see, I'm just getting it in today on a beautiful day, man. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man. Drop me a comment in there. Let me know you guys are out there, man. I love interacting with you. I'm in that, feeling that right there. Oh yeah, gotta challenge yourself, fellas. When you are on that bike, you gotta keep your skills up and challenge yourself. This is a little tight to the left right here. I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna downshift that in there and lean that and then catch that on the backside. That's how you gotta do that when you hit those tight ones in like that, guys. Don't be scared to downshift and break it off. Let's get to my favorite spot real quick and check it out, man. This is a secret spot. You guys are coming with me. Let's get that money. Man, as men out there, fellas, man, we work so hard, and the weight of the world is on our shoulders, man. You always need a spot that you can go relax, collect your thoughts, and continue to make that master plan to be the successful person that you all out there are gonna be. This is my favorite spot to go to, my little secret spot. And as you see, man, it's got some great curves to hit up in there to give me some good practice. I like to come back here and practice a little bit on these. Kind of keeps my skills sharpened up, and you guys see it winding back and forth. Just a good place to come back and practice. And we're gonna go back here and check out a great spot. But man, awesome place. Let's go check it out. All right, man, and just like that, I am at the secret spot. Gonna go check that out in a minute, but first, you guys gotta see why I picked out this blue burst. As you see it in the sun right there, check out the flakes, man, all the way through. The bike is absolutely butter. Now, I put this with the shark skin color outside, and we put them in the sun, and as you see, guys, I had to rock with this one. Let me know what you think about the color in the comments below, but everything is hitting with those new upgrades. Loving the way it's all coming together. And I am at my favorite spot right now, and as you see, it is just so peaceful, so tranquil. I like to come here and kind of collect my thoughts, man, but you guys can see it is absolutely amazing. The water is right in your face, literally. Man, I'm gonna do a 360 so you guys can see just how beautiful this place is. Now, guys, what I like to do, and I want to suggest to you, on my birthday, I go to a spot by myself, collect my thoughts. First off, I want to reflect on that year that I had and see where I went. But more importantly, I want to start to progress out so I can see where I'm going for the next calendar year. Guys, it's the time to get yourself mentally straight, get your mind together, but more importantly, come up with that master plan to be the success that we are all going to be and we destined to be. Guys, I really appreciate you hanging out with me. The best part of my birthday was you being able to rock and roll with your boy. So you know what I'm about to say. Until next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace. All right, now all that calm stuff is out the way. It is time to turn all the way up and get this birthday party started. Let's get that money. Peace.